everybody, and welcome to Creative Artist Club. Today we will be making our fifth craft, and it will be a planet mobile that spins in the wind when you hang it outside. Can't really show it hanging up in the frame, but you see what you'll be making for the most part. So things that you should have received in your kit are 4 planets, a string, and some beads. And what you'll need to provide at home are scissors and glue. Now, the first thing that you can do is color in your planets. And the reason I call these planets instead of Earth, even though it is a picture of Earth, is because I want you guys to be creative. I want you guys to use unique colors. I want you to make your own places. See, I made this one look like Earth, but I used some different colors in the rest. I really want to see how you guys make your project, and I'd love if you shared them. So the first thing that you're going to do is color these in however you'd like, and then you're going to cut them out with these scissors. And you're just going to cut along the outside. And you should end up with 4 pieces that look like this. So each piece we are going to fold in half. Just like this, so that they look kind of like a taco. And then we're going to start gluing them to one another. So we're going to glue 2 together and then the other 2 together as well. We'll put glue on this side, put it on nice and heavy because we really want it to stay together. Just like this. And then we put it and we press it down, and we try to make sure it's nice and lined up, and we press it down to the other piece. And we really make sure we press it and we give it time to dry. And we're going to do the same with our other 2. Now, we want to glue all of these together, but what we first want to do before we do that is glue a string to the middle. So we take our bag, we pull out our string, and we are going to, you have 2 strings just in case one doesn't work out, and we are going to put a lot of glue in the center of our planets so that we can really stick the string inside. So we take our string, we put it down. I also like to put a little bit of glue on top of the string. It can never hurt. And now we've really got our string sandwiched in there. So the final step here would be to add a large amount of glue to both sides of these planets. And glue our other 2 on top, just like this. I'll give it a little bit of time to dry. And we've got our 4 planets that will spin in the wind. So the next thing that we want to do is tie a knot at the top. You might need to get a parent to help you, but it's pretty simple. You just tie a knot, leaving a loop at the top so that you can hang it on a branch outside. And you will have something that looks like this. And then the last step will be to string your beads on the bottom, put the string through, and then on the other side you'll want to tie a knot to make sure your beads stay on. But you might want to get a parent to help you with this. Actually, I'm not going to do the whole thing now because that would take quite a while. You take some patience stringing it on. I will also suggest that if you can't fit this through the bead very easily, to wet it to put a little water on the end so it sticks together and becomes slimmer and is easier to stick through. And then in the end, you should have something that looks like this. And because of the beads on the bottom, it will be heavy and it should spin in the wind. So I'm so excited to see what you guys make. I'd love if you'd share it in the comments, and I will see you guys next week.